Hi everyone, today I'm going to unboxing Origin's Advent Calendar of 2022. The reason why I purchased this is that I'm tired of using sheet masks. So much inconvenience when using it, like we cannot talk whether or not we like the material or not, or if the sheet can fit our facial features. In order to fix this and in order to have skincare more regularly, I try to find a mask that would make me easier, but I would prefer using samples before getting a normal size of it because I don't know if the product is suitable for me, and I also know that it would take me a long time before finishing it, but at the same time I might try to buy some new stuffs, so that would be a total waste if keep buying new stuffs. And it happens to be that Origins launched the Advent Calendar, so there it is. And I personally like this whole set, not being overpacking, which some luxurious products tend to be. So let's go check out what's inside the calendar altogether. Though there's what's inside the packing in the back of the box in detail, but people just want to see these babies personally. Okay, let's open the box. Look at this, and it also has a detail inside. I personally like the Advent calendar not being numbered in a sequential order because it is the process of searching for something that makes me excited. Okay, let's start with number 1. This is the soothing treatment lotion that's, I believe, is the Star product. And the number 2, where's number 2? Oh, it's right there. This is the hand lotion. I seldom use hand lotion very much because even if I buy a whole version of it, like, look, this is 30 ml, so I couldn't even use it all for a year because it's not very dry in Taiwan. So, but luckily it's only 30 ml. And number 3 is right there. Oh, this is also a Star product. It's the Resilience. So I believe this is a whole set of their Star products. And number 4, it's a brush. Yeah, it's a brush that you can apply the face mask. It's quite convenient because you can try using this brush to apply the mask evenly. And number 5, yeah. This is my most wanted. It's the face mask, but there are few functions for this whole set of face masks. So this is the clear improvement. It's to purify and nourish your skin. So it says use once a week or as often as needed, but I probably won't use this too much because I have very dry skin. And let's go for number 6. This is a brightening serum, but I probably won't need this too much because I have very light skin tone and I care more about the skin moisturizing. So let's go to, this is number 6. So let's go to number 7. Body scrub. So this probably would also take me a whole year to finish it because I am such a lazy person, and I also use loofah every day, so we will find out. And number 8. Oh, this eye mask. And number 9. Where's number 9? Oops. Oh, this is also my most wanted. So this is also, these are a set of the face masks. I bought this set because of this product, because it says your skin will drink up, and I also want to try using max in a more regular way to find out what my skin will if my skin will improve. And let's go to number 10. Let's move this aside. Body cream. But also, I'm a lazy person. I probably won't apply it very often. But it's ginger smell. I'm curious what ginger smell. Not bad. It makes you like in the atmosphere of the Christmas. And number 11. It's the soothing cream. Soothing cream. What's the difference between the soothing cream and... Oh, it's for face, not for body. So it is also a whole set. Mega mushrooms. These are a whole set. Mega mushrooms. And we were at number 11, so let's go to number 12. Number 12. Number 12. Oh, here. Oh, this is for brush your face. It's not as tender as I imagined, but I will still try it. And then let's go to number 13. Face wash. Oh, I love this. I love this. I love this in small version because I'm also a lazy person that I don't want to dispose the bottle waste. After finishing it, I am a person only use soaps that could both wash your face and your body. So I will try this out. It has a smell of toothpaste. So exciting. And this is 13, so let's go to 14 here. Polishing face with tourmaline. What's this for? Gently massage over clean, damp face, rinse with warm water. Use 3 to 4 times weekly. Oh, this is face scrub. So again, luckily it's a small version. Because I don't want to irritate my skin too much. It has the same smell as this one. Also has a smell of toothpaste. So let's go to 15. 15. Ginger body wash. I wouldn't afraid of not using it all because we use body wash every day, but as I said, I use soaps more often. So this is 15. Let's go to 16. Anti-aging power eye cream, but it's only 5 ml. But don't underestimate this eye cream only 5 ml because I also used I believe it's Clarence testing version of it. Only 5 ml, but it took me weeks to finish it. And it's 16, so let's go to it's 16. Let's go to 17. Oh, another face mask. Retexturizing mask with rose clay. So this is number 3 face mask. And number 8. We were at number 17. Let's go to number 18. A cleanser. So this mega mushroom, a set, a cleanser, and we were 18. Let's go to 19. Oh, this is the mushroom. It's not very smooth, so it probably needs to be used with the eye cream to make this work. So let's go to 20. This is also eye cream. Such a cute bottle. So we have two eye cream. This is the anti-aging one, and this is for brightening and the depuff. 20, the last was 20. Let's go to 21. Multi-powered youth serum. It's it's a product that we can use every day. So 22. Let's go to 22. 22. Oh, I opened the 22 before. This is number 2, so where's 12? I probably missed 12. Yeah, 12 is right there. Oh, yeah, I opened 22 before, so let's go to 23. Oops. Active charcoal mask. So I thought this was this also a mask. Also, this is to clear pores, and this is to purify and nourish. So I thought this was to clear pores. So this totally different products. But I think it also has the function of cleaning your skin. So, oh, the last one is 24. This is the candle, but this is my first candle ever because I don't usually use this, because I think this is I prefer the smell that's come from flowers, come from the nature, but not from candles, but I will still use it. And it's all finished, but it also comes with some simple size for my purchase. Let's find out what's inside. Wow, it's quite a large size. Look. Oh, this is also my most wanted products. The drink up mask that I would probably use this more regularly, and also their mega mushroom products, their star products, and some sample sizes that maybe you could use for your travels. It's very convenient. Okay, it's all of it. So overall, I'm happy that I get this whole set because I can try out so many products at the same time. But will take fewer times to finish it because of the small volume. But at the same time, the volume is enough for us to test the effectiveness of it on our skin and to see if the products will work for us. So I hope you like this video and happy Christmas. Bye bye.